A face-off is brewing between the NIA and the CRPF versus the West Bengal Police. This, of course, after the East Midnapur Police has registered an FIR against the NIA team and CRPF officials on the complaint of a woman who alleged that she and her husband were assaulted by said officers, and also that the officers personally outraged her modesty. The NIA team, remember, was in East Midnapur district yesterday and arrested two accused in West Bengal's Bhupatinagar blast case, in which Kacha houses blew up in December 2022. So clearly an escalation of the conflict between the cops and agencies in West Bengal, with the BJP and the TMC also now trading charges over this.
वहाँ जो हुआ है हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर से एनआईए उसको जांच कर रहे हैं। एनआईए जो करेंगे वही होगा।
आपके कार्यकर्ता को भी अरेस्ट किया जो वोट मशीनरी अगर कोई उसमें लिपटा हुआ था तो उसको अरेस्ट करेंगे, लेकिन जब तक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में मोदी है वो तो विरोधियों के खिलाफ ये सब इस्तेमाल करता है, सीबीआई, ईडी, एनआईए। तो मैं श्योर नहीं कि हमारे कार्यकर्ता दोषी है।
इस सरकार के द्वारा जानबूझकर इसको किया जा रहा है कि यहाँ सेंट्रल जो फोर्स है, सेंट्रल का जितने सारे हमारे फोर्स और जो डिटेक्टर सब्जेक्ट है, मतलब कि जैसे एनआईए है और भी सारे हैं, ये लोगों के ऊपर आक्रमण का मतलब है यहाँ का डेमोक्रेसी का संतुलन विकलांग हो गया है। इसके लिए मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन को थोड़ा सूचित करना चाहता हूँ कि इस विषय पर नज़र रखकर यहाँ और भी प्रोटेक्शन बढ़ाए।
And Saurabh now joins us with the very latest on this story. So Saurabh, it is an unprecedented kind of a clash that we are seeing, while of course we've seen politics play out in West Bengal with the TMC constantly alleging the misuse of central agencies and of course the BJP alleging lawlessness in Mamta's Bengal. But this has really taken it to a whole new level, hasn't it? With the NIA raid that was conducted last night, 2 people were arrested, and now a counter FIR against the officials conducting the raid on very serious charges of molestation.
Yes, this is something that follows perhaps, what yesterday Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said, and she accused the NIA of entering people's homes and then questioning whether women, when their homes have been entered into, should keep quiet and not protest. Now, this has, of course, been brewing since yesterday, and this has, of course, now resulted in an FIR against the NIA officers as well on the complaint of one of the women of the family of one of the persons who was arrested by the NIA. The NIA in a statement yesterday had said that they had arrested one of the 2 key conspirators in the Bhupatinagar blast case, and that they had managed to, retrieve themselves from a unruly mob or, an aggressive crowd that had gathered as they were leaving with these people. Now, the BJP, of course, says that the NIA is being targeted on the instigation of Mamata Banerjee. She has been instigating TMC cadres to target central agency officers. The TMC, on the other hand, says that, if you go there in the middle of the night, if you go there without warning, without informing the local police, such incidents are bound to happen if you enter people's homes at night without informing them. Because obviously, even today she's reiterated that. Mamata Banerjee, in a bite that she's in a public meeting in Purulia, she said the same thing today. So this is something that we'll see snowballing further. Meanwhile, the TMC has also made another very serious allegation. The TMC has alleged that, one of the NIA officers was colluding with the politician from the BJP. And we have the reaction of Jitendra Tiwari also as well on this, saying that he has done no wrong. But this is clearly snowballing. It's no longer about an investigation or a case, but it's about TMC versus BJP ahead of elections, with the central agencies, in between.